Hi guys, just wanted to show you here my new awesome stainless steel garden hose. Yeah, it's 16 millimeters diameter and a full 100 feet length. It's kink proof, rust proof, corrosion proof, crack proof, puncture proof, animal proof whatsoever, and you can definitely feel the awesome quality already when we have it here with all the different parts. Here you can see the two ends, absolutely awesome. Here on the right side with the gasket for the faucet. We can also take it apart and see the inside. Can see everything super solid connections here. There's absolutely nothing loose. There are no gaps, nothing. High quality threads everywhere. And also watch this sprayer here with all these different settings, nicely built, and we have this super convenient open closing mechanism, and the sprayer nozzle has the gasket already here inside, so you can just screw it here on top. By the way, we get also some replacement gaskets in the box. And so I'm now definitely going to replace this flexible hose here, which was nice but definitely totally unreliable. It got twisted sometimes a lot, and then the water was totally cut off. I had this actually replaced for my pool guy, and he was struggling a lot, and I was also fearing that if he wouldn't turn off the water that this could burst, because it's definitely not very resistant. Definitely total different thing here. Here I don't have to be worried, so I'm removing this now and attach the stainless steel hose now. And so I have everything attached. So let's turn this on. Let's see. Yeah, there's absolutely no leak. You can see not a single drop. And also this really nicely closing here. And so I have it still in front of me. You can see how easy this works. I can just pull it back and then slowly activate the water exactly how I need that. And of course I can also change the spray pattern. So many different spray patterns. You can see upside down, really nice shower pattern here. One even down, that can be also very convenient. Super fine spray here. Yeah, even total mist spray here. What I like is how concentrated we have this jet sprayer here. Almost works like a pressure washer. Yeah, we have so many different patterns here. Yeah, absolutely awesome, and still no leaking in the back. You can see that here. I can turn it off slowly or even fast, so I don't have to deal with such pull handle here, which sometimes can be very difficult, and then you need an additional bracket to secure it. Here it locks in any position. You can see I can just leave it like that. I don't have to keep pulling here. I can leave it alone and it stays exactly where I leave it. Yeah, that's absolutely super convenient, much better than anything I've seen so far. Yeah, very convenient, beautiful, high quality, doesn't get any better than that. So full recommendation from my side, so you can buy it directly here from Amazon. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.